What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. This video, I'm going to show you how to earn money and save money every time you shop online and offline. There's a site called shop.com, and I'm going to walk you through my top 3 ways to use it to maximize your spending and your savings. Here we go. All right, so let's get into this. How do you actually use shop.com, save you money, get you discounts, and earn you cash back? If you haven't heard of shop.com, it's one of the largest online retailers in the world. They're in the top 100, and pretty much every store and brand you're familiar with sells products through shop.com. Now, it's interesting. There's 2 options on how you could use this to earn income. We're going to talk about just becoming a preferred customer in this video because it's very simple. There's no cost to register, so it's free to you and I to register and earn money using the website. You earn cash back every time you shop online and offline, and you have access to thousands of stores, millions of products, the ability to track everything, even outside of shop.com, and even the ability to register cards so they can track your spending and pay you every time you shop offline through shop local merchants, okay? Now, there is another option. I just bring this up really quickly because a lot of people don't know. Shop.com allows individuals who want to build a business and increase income the right to use their business to grow a company. So if you decide this is something you may want to take past just being a customer, you can look into becoming an owner. There's more details. Obviously, there's subscriptions and ongoing things and management responsibilities to build a business. But in addition to just what you could get paid for your own spending, you get paid on everyone's collective buying. You have access to exclusive products at wholesale prices, and you actually have the ability to make substantial income on an annual basis. Now, we don't have time to get into that tonight, but I just want to let people know. A lot of people don't know that's something you can earn. So with that being said, let's just jump right into preferred customer and how you can really use this site to generate some income back for you. So the first thing you want to do is register as a preferred customer, and that gives you access to the cash back. Cash back is simply rewarded every time you buy anything through shop.com or through the Shop Local program. So far, the business has paid out over $42 million, so a substantial amount of money back to you and I, the customers. Okay, so to create a free account, it's really easy. If you know someone who owns a shop.com business, you're going to want to contact them, or if they shared this video with you, just let them know, hey, send me your link. I want to create a free account. If you don't have anyone you know, that's okay. I provided a way for you still to get a free account in the description below. I'll put a link for you so you can at least get access to that. And once you get the link, you click on sign in and you register for a new account. It's going to bring you to just create an account page on the site. You fill it out and you're good to go. Once you fill it out, you're going to be logged in as a customer. So just real quick, every time you're about to shop online, just make sure you're logged in because that's what's going to track your cash back, okay? The other thing you're going to see that's really cool and fun to watch is a cash back meter. So every time you spend money, it usually updates every 24 to 48 hours. So if you spend money today, you're going to see cash back begin to grow in that little cash back meter. And when you want the cash back, as soon as it's over $10, you can actually request the funds to be direct deposited into bank account. It takes 1 to 3 business days when you request it, but then the money is available for you to spend. Okay, so in this example, $178, I want to cash out. I click on there, I send it to my bank account, and I can use that anywhere I want. It's as good as cash, okay? You may also see something called pending cash back. That just means that you have been rewarded cash back. They have to hold it until that store pays shop.com. Once that store does, they release it and it becomes available cash back. So here's 3 easy ways to use the shop.com website. There's a million ways you could do it, and it may be overwhelming, so I just wanted to boil this down to what are 3 simple things you can do to make an additional $20, $50, $100 or more per month on just your everyday spending on the things you have to buy. Okay, so let's roll through this real quick. Number 1 is you can shop at the stores you already shop at or stores that you like and get paid from them through what is called the partner stores, okay? So there's thousands of stores from Home Depot, Walmart, Raise.com, Staples, Priceline, Wayfair. Pretty much, if you've heard of it, we got it, and it's going to be in the partner stores. So if you want to get paid spending money at any one of these online stores, You simply log in, click on the stores tab in the menu bar, and you're going to be brought to the A to Z list. So first they're going to show you featured stores and deals, and they're going to give you the A to Z alphabetical list of the stores they have. Now, if you want to just know real quick all the stores and be able to glance at it, you can download the PDF. It'll give you an A to Z download. Easy way to do that. You can also narrow the search by searching for the store you want or the store that's going to pay you the most. Or stores, maybe if you want, to see what store does in-store pickup if you need the product the same day. And once you find the store, here's what it looks like, okay? Let's say I wanted to go to Coach. I can see the deals they have, any special conditions I need to be aware of to earn the cash back, how much cash back they're offering, whether they've increased it or it's a specific amount. And then once I realize, okay, I'm ready to go to that store and I want to get paid, I click on Visit Partner Store. It's going to take a second to redirect you, and now you're going to be on that store's website, but you're going to get paid through shop.com on whatever you buy. Okay, so that's really simple. You log in, click on the store you want to go to, get redirected, you're on that store's website. Everything that is the way a store's website is the same. So whatever deals they have, whatever prices will be identical. The only difference is because you came through shop.com as a customer, you're gonna get paid, right? Really simple. Second way you can take advantage of Shop.com's technology is to download an app called Shop Buddy. You want to do this on a desktop or laptop, not on mobile, and it's very simple. And what it does is it tracks, even if you're off Shop.com, the things that you're buying as well as discounts. So let me show you how to get it and how it works. So real quick, you go to the menu bar, you search Shop Buddy, you click download, and it's going to be saved to your web browser, okay? Now, next time, for instance, you just happen to be on Google and you're looking to buy something, all the search results will now change to show you what stores are going to pay you cash back and how many deals they have. So you don't even need to go to shop.com directly when you have this. You can click on whatever store it is, and they're going to track that and pay you on whatever you're going to spend at that store so you earn your cash back. Really simple. Okay, another cool feature of this is on select websites, if they find that an item you're searching for is cheaper through one of their partners, they're going to bring up Shop Buddy and say, hey, by the way, that toy you're about to buy is actually cheaper through Bed Bath & Beyond. You'll earn some cash back, save money, click here to go buy, and they're going to send you to that site to save money and buy. They also have a feature called Deal Finder so that, for instance, if you're buying groceries on jet.com and you're about to check out, it's going to say, hold on, we found some coupons. We're going to see which ones actually work, and we're going to find the one that's going to save you the most amount of money. It's going to take just a few seconds to apply in real time. Once they found the best deal, it applies automatically, and in this case, you saved another $4.39, okay? So making sure you save the most amount of money when you shop. The third thing you're going to want to do is register for Shop Local. This allows shop.com to pay you even when you go offline and into a store and pay. All right, so you have to go to the merchants that are participating in this, but this is how easy it is. It's super easy. You simply register whatever credit cards or debit cards you would use when you're in a store. You identify what stores are in your local area that have agreed to pay you. You swipe your card using the credit option, okay? So just pay with credit, or, if they ask a debit or credit, just say credit, run it. And because you did that with a card on file, you get paid cash back, okay? So how do you do that? Again, really easy. You go to the menu bar or search Shop Local. You click on Link Your Card. You link any card you would use in a store. Once you do that, you simply identify the stores that are merchants of Shop Local, walk in, swipe your card, and you'll get a cool text message saying, hey, by the way, you just got paid for eating pizza or getting your clothes dry cleaned, right? On and on and on. Okay, this is a really simple way, out of sight, out of mind, and everyone can earn money, and it supports local businesses. So let me give you two examples of how I used these three highlights that I showed you in this in real time, so you can at least appreciate how much money I saved just on two simple purchases and and how much cash back I earned on this. So here's my first example. I call it the win-win-win example. I needed to replace my big printer. It's always not so fun when it runs out of ink because it's expensive when I have to do it. So I had an option. I could go right to the stores tab and pick a store that I knew sold printer ink and buy it. In this case, Staples would have paid me 2% cash back, or $4.95. The cost would have been $247 to buy the printer ink. The shipping was free. There was no discounts. And as an owner, I would have got IBV. I put IBV on here for those who are studying becoming an owner or looking into becoming an owner. Owners get paid IBV instead of cash back, but the only difference between the two is IBV has the ability to earn you up to $1,500 per week per business. So owners obviously get paid a lot more, but they're running a company. I just put that on there for those who are owners. But let's just focus again on the price and the cash back for the purpose of this video. So check this out. Here's the win-win-win. I had the Shop Buddy app downloaded. I searched the printer ink I needed. There it is, a store I never heard of, would have never thought of, appears as a partner store. I click on it. Shop Buddy downloads. It's 10% cash back. I load the ink cartridges I need, and the total is $95.96. Right? Shop Buddy then found a 16% off coupon, so it saved me another $15.35. It qualified for free shipping, so the total ended up being $80.61. Plus, 123 Inkjets paid me $8 cash back, so it was even cheap. It was basically $72. You know, when it was all said and done, for me to buy the ink. Let's just look at that one purchase. If I was not a Shop.com preferred customer, I would have wasted an extra $167. In this case, because of Shop Buddy, I only spent $80, saved $167, and got $8 cash back. Okay, so pretty significant with one little purchase. The second example I want to show you, I call this the one the double dip. You can get paid twice on the same purchase. So here's how I did it. I went to buy an e-gift when I had to spend money at Petco. So I knew I had to buy dog food. I went and bought an e-gift card first, and they have a store called e-gift cards. So I searched e-gift cards. I noticed they had a Petco gift card, and when I bought it, they give me 8% cash back for buying the gift card. Now it gets emailed to you directly, you register it, and you get paid for buying it. Okay, so I earned $4 cash back in my pocket. Then I took the same gift card and I went to Petco through shop.com, found the dog food I need now at the Petco site, and they paid me 2% on the dog food that I had to purchase, but I used the gift card, the same money I spent on the gift card, and applied it to this order. Okay, so I basically recycled the money that I paid for the gift card, and I'm using it again on Petco, and so I get paid twice from the gift card store in Petco, plus Shop Buddy found an online-only coupon for $4.50 off, and here's the funny thing, you could still pick it up in the store within 30 minutes. So even though it was an online-only coupon, I still was able to pick it up right away in the store and save the money. Okay, so it ended up being the best deal. I got $4 to buy the gift card. I used the gift card to buy the dog food on Petco to get another $1.80 back. I saved $4.50, so the dog food really only cost me $34 instead of $45. Okay, so I think that gives you a good idea just on these three little tips that I gave you on how you can really earn significant money and save significant money and get some coupon codes as well. So the only thing left for you to do is simply get started, right? So you want to register for a cashback account again. Ask someone if you know someone who owns the business for a link to do that, or I'll provide a free link if you don't know anyone in the description. Download Shop Buddy and register for Shop Local and have some fun with this and let people know how to do this. It's free to anyone, so might as well teach everyone how to earn and save at the same time. Now, if you want to see how that IBV works and how the business side works and how you could actually take this to be significant income on a much higher level, again, it's going to take additional time, and it's going to take management and running a company, but you can make sizable income doing that through this platform and through this business. So if that's something that intrigues you, the next thing you want to do is just learn how the business side works past the customer side. You know everything you need to know to earn money as a customer. So if that's something you want to look into, then feel free to do that. I'll put a link as well at the bottom for you to see the business overview, and that'll go into the details behind running this as a company on the side to earn additional income. All right, that's all I got. I hope this is helpful. I hope you make a lot of money and save a lot of money through shop.com. Take care.